Which chafing dish actually works for buffets? Simple question, but you have to dig a little to get the real answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options so you don't waste money on something that looks good but fails when it matters.
Product number 1, Alpha Living 6-pack disposable set. This Alpha Living 6-pack disposable chafing dish set caught my eye because it's one of the most popular budget-friendly options, over 10,000 sold in the past month. At $34.99, it includes everything: 6 half-size aluminum pans, wire racks, fuel cans, and utensils. If you want an affordable, all-in-one solution for casual gatherings without the cleanup hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The welded aluminum body holds heat surprisingly well for a disposable option, and the included fuel cans last up to 4 hours, enough for most parties. The half-size trays are perfect for side dishes, dips, or smaller entrees, and since it's all disposable, you skip the washing entirely. Plus, being 100% food-grade aluminum means no weird tastes or chemicals leaching into your food. Now, some people complained about the wire racks feeling flimsy, and honestly, they're not built for heavy pots or long-term use. Here's the thing though, if you're doing a backyard barbecue or office potluck, you're not moving these around much, so stability isn't a huge issue. Just don't expect restaurant-level durability. This is perfect for you if you host occasional events and want zero cleanup. Skip this one if you're doing formal catering or need something reusable. For the price and convenience, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Alpha Living 33-piece full-size set. If the previous set felt a bit too small, this Alpha Living 33-piece full-size disposable set might be your answer. Priced at $53.29, it's still budget-friendly, but gives you more coverage with 3 full-size pans, lids, utensils, and 6 fuel cans. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people are upgrading for bigger events. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The full-size pans hold significantly more food, ideal for main dishes like lasagna or roasted veggies, and the included lids help trap heat and moisture, keeping food from drying out. The lids were a big win in testing. Without them, food cools fast, especially in drafty rooms. Plus, the aluminum construction distributes heat evenly, so no cold spots. Some buyers mention the lids fit loosely, which can let heat escape if not positioned just right. Here's the thing though, once you center them properly, they work fine. It's not a deal breaker, just a minor setup quirk. This is perfect for you if you're hosting weddings, large family reunions, or catering small events. Skip this one if you need electric heating or plan to reuse the dishes. For large disposable setups, it's one of the best values out there.
Product number 3, Elite Gourmet Triple Tray Electric Warmer. That was a solid disposable option, but the next one on my list might actually be better if you want consistent heat without fuel. The Elite Gourmet EWM6171 is a corded electric buffet server with 3 2.5-quart stainless steel trays, clear lids, and adjustable temperature control. Over 3,000 sold shows it's a favorite for indoor events. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike fuel-based warmers, this one gives you precise heat control with low, medium, and high settings, so you can keep delicate foods like cheese dips warm without scorching. The 300-watt heating element warms up fast and maintains steady temps, and the clear lids let guests see what's inside while trapping heat. Plus, the stainless steel trays are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. One downside, it doesn't get as hot as some professional units, so very dense foods like stews might cool slightly over time. Here's the thing though, for most party foods like mashed potatoes, queso, or meatballs, it holds temp perfectly. Just don't expect it to reheat cold food. This is perfect for you if you host indoor parties, holiday dinners, or office events with access to outlets. Skip this one if you're outdoors or need to move it around frequently. For reliable, no-fuss electric warming, it's a great mid-range pick. Product number 4, Theppo 4-in-1 Electric Warming Tray. If you want maximum flexibility, the Theppo Electric Warming Tray is in a league of its own. At $99.99, it's pricier, but with a 33 by 15 tempered glass surface, 10 temperature settings, and a built-in timer, it's built for serious entertainers. Over 2,000 sold shows it's gaining traction. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large surface fits 6 to 8 dishes at once, perfect for holiday feasts or catering. And the 10 heat settings from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit let you gently warm bread or sear-style keeper roast hot. The modular design means you can use one panel for small dinners or all 4 for big events. Plus, the child lock and overheat protection make it safer around kids. The main complaint? It's heavy and not easy to move once set up. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be portable. It's a stationary buffet centerpiece. If you treat it that way, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you host large gatherings often and want precision and elegance. Skip this one if you need something lightweight or disposable. For long-term use and versatility, it's worth the investment.
Product number 5, Alpha Living 4-pack stainless steel chafer. If you're serious about catering or frequent hosting, the Alpha Living 4-pack stainless steel chafing dish set is the most durable option here. At $129.99, it's the priciest, but you get 8-quart capacity, foldable frames, and reusable fuel holders. Just over 1,000 sold, but the build quality stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The thick stainless steel retains heat far better than aluminum, and the full-size pans are ideal for large entrees. The foldable legs make storage easy, and the included lids and fuel holders give you everything needed for professional-looking setups. It's rust-resistant and built to last years. Some users noted the weight, nearly 38 pounds total, makes it hard to carry. Here's the thing though, if you're using this for events, you're not carrying it far. It's meant to stay put once assembled. This is perfect for you if you cater events or host formal dinners regularly. Skip this one if you only need something occasional or disposable. For long-term value and durability, it's the best reusable option on this list.
So which one should you pick? For quick disposable setups, go with the Alpha Living 6-pack. Need more food space? The 33-piece full-size set has you covered. Want electric convenience? The Elite Gourmet is reliable. For big, fancy buffets, the FEPA warming tray delivers. And if you're serious about catering, the stainless steel Alpha Living 4-pack is built to last. Pick what fits your needs, and your next party will be a hit.